Top 3 flowers to plant in your Florida yard. Pretty, colorful, heat-loving beauties that won't throw a tantrum in July. Hi, I'm Margaret Klein, your favorite Space Coast Realtor, and today we are talking about something that can make any home feel more cheerful, welcoming, and just plain look at me, I have my life together. Flowers. Now, if you live in Florida, you already know our yards have to deal with a lot. Heat, humidity, sandy soil, surprise downpours, blazing sun, and the occasional plant that looks fabulous at the store but gives up faster than a toddler at bedtime once you put it in the yard. So today, we are talking about 3 beautiful flowers that can handle Florida life, bring gorgeous color to your yard, and make your curb appeal say, "Yes, I am cute, thank you for noticing." And remember, if you are dreaming of a home with the perfect yard for planting, playing, gardening, sipping sweet tea, or watching the dogs run around like they pay the mortgage, I would love to help you find your next forever home right here on the Space Coast. Let's dig in. Garden gloves optional, enthusiasm required. 1. Pentas, the butterfly party starter. If your yard needs color, charm, and a little wildlife action, pentas are a fantastic Florida flower to consider. Pentas are one of those flowers that look delicate and sweet, but they can handle Florida heat like a champ. They produce clusters of star-shaped flowers that butterflies and hummingbirds absolutely love. Basically, if you plant pentas, your yard may turn into a tiny butterfly brunch spot. And honestly, we support that. Why pentas are great for Florida yards? Pentas are wonderful because they bloom beautifully during warm weather and bring steady color to flower beds, borders, and containers. They are also a great choice if you want a landscape that feels alive and cheerful without needing a full-time plant babysitter. They do best in full sun and well-drained soil, which makes them a great fit for many Florida yards. Popular Pentacolors pentas come in several bright and happy colors, including red, pink, white, lavender, purple, magenta. If you want bold curb appeal, go with red or magenta. If you want a softer cottage garden look, try pink, lavender, and white mixed together. If you are feeling fancy, plant multiple colors together and let your flower bed look like it dressed up for brunch. How to plant pentas. Choose a sunny area in your yard where they will get plenty of light. Space them out so they have room to grow and breathe. Nobody likes being squished, not even flowers. Before planting, loosen the soil and mix in a little compost or good garden soil if your dirt is more sad sandbox than happy garden bed. Plant them at the same depth they were in the pot. Gently pack the soil around them and water well. How to care for pentas. Water them regularly when first planted so they can get established. After that, water is needed, especially during dry spells. You can also trim off spent blooms to encourage more flowers. This is called deadheading, which sounds much more dramatic than it really is. No tiny flower funeral required. Where to use pentas? Pentas look great along walkways, in front yard, flower beds, around mailboxes, in patio containers, near porches, around pool areas, in butterfly gardens. They are a fantastic way to add a splash of color and make your yard feel warm, welcoming, and full of life. 2. Gaillardia, the sunshine-loving overachiever. Next up is Gaillardia, also known as blanket flower. This flower is like the Florida friend who shows up in flip-flops, sunglasses, and says, "Heat? What heat?" Gaillardia loves sunshine and gives you bright, cheerful flowers that look like little bursts of sunset. It is tough, colorful, and perfect for Florida yards where you want beauty without a plant that needs constant emotional support. Why Gaillardia is great for Florida yards. Gaillardia is known for blooming through the summer and into the fall, which is exactly what we want here in Florida. We need plants that do not faint when the weather gets hot enough to fry an egg on the driveway. It's also a good option for attracting pollinators like bees and butterflies, which helps support a healthy yard and garden. Popular Gaillardia colors. Gaillardia usually comes in warm, sunny colors like red, orange, yellow, burgundy, copper, red, and yellow tips. If your yard needs a bright pop of color, Gaillardia is your girl. She does not whisper.
practical and has that I woke up like this garden energy. Butterflies and hummingbirds love it, and many varieties are known for being fairly pest resistant. That means fewer plant problems and more time enjoying your yard instead of standing outside wondering why something keeps eating your landscaping. Why salvia is great for Florida yards. Salvia does well in Florida landscapes because many varieties can handle heat, attract pollinators, and add gorgeous vertical color to flower beds. It is also a great choice if you want a flower that adds height and texture instead of everything sitting low and flat like a pancake. Popular salvia colors. Salvia can come in several colors, including red, purple, blue, pink. White red salvia is especially eye-catching and can bring a bold pop of color to your yard. Purple and blue varieties look beautiful, mixed with yellow or white flowers for a more elegant garden look. How to plant salvia. Plant salvia in full sun to partial sun, depending on the variety. Most bloom best with plenty of sunlight. Use well-drained soil and avoid areas where water sits too long. Florida plants may love humidity, but most still do not want wet feet all day. Honestly, same. Space plants according to the size listed on the plant tag, because salvia can spread and fill in nicely. How to care for salvia. Water regularly after planting until it is established. Once settled, many salvias can handle drier periods better than fussier flowers. Trim spent blooms to keep the plant looking tidy and encourage more flowers. Some varieties can be cut back if they get leggy, which is plant speak for I got a little wild and need a haircut. Where to use salvia. Salvia is perfect for butterfly gardens, hummingbird gardens, front yard flower beds, backyard borders, along fences, around patios, mixed garden beds. It adds height, color, and movement, especially when the breeze catches those flower spikes. Very classy. Very Florida. Very yes, my yard is thriving. Bonus planting tips for Florida flower success. Before you start planting like you are starring in your own garden makeover show, here are a few Florida-friendly tips. Pick the right spot. Some flowers love full sun. Others prefer partial shade. Read the plant tag before you buy, because planting a shade-loving flower in full Florida sun is basically sending it into battle with a pool noodle. Improve the soil. Florida soil can be sandy, which means water and nutrients can drain away quickly. Add compost or garden soil to help your flowers get a better start. Mulch like you mean it. Mulch helps hold moisture, keep roots cooler, and reduce weeds. Plus, it makes flower beds look polished and finished, like the yard put on mascara. Water early. Water in the morning when possible. This helps plants hydrate before the heat of the day and gives leaves time to dry, which can help reduce disease issues. Do not overwater. More water is not always better. Soggy roots can cause problems. Give your flowers what they need, not a backyard swamp experience. Mix colors for curb appeal. For a beautiful Florida flower bed, try color combinations like pink pentas, white pentas, and purple salvia, red salvia, yellow gaillardia, and white pentas, orange gaillardia, lavender pentas, and blue salvia, magenta pentas, and yellow gaillardia for a bright tropical look. A good color mix can make your yard pop without making it look like a flower truck tipped over. Best flower combo for maximum curb appeal. If I were creating a simple Florida-friendly flower bed, I would use pentas, pink and white for soft color, and butterflies, gaillardia, and bright yellow, red, and orange pots, salvia, red, purple, or blue for height, and hummingbirds that gives you color, texture, pollinators, and that someone fun lives here feeling. And when buyers pull up to a home, curb appeal matters. A pretty yard can make a home feel warmer, happier, and more inviting before anyone even opens the front door. Looking for a home with the perfect yard? Maybe you already have a yard and just need to dress it up with flowers.
Or maybe you are dreaming of a bigger yard, a sunnier yard, a fenced yard for the dogs, a backyard for gardening, or a front porch where you can admire your flowers while pretending you are not judging the neighbor's weeds. Either way, I can help. Whether you are looking for your forever home, a vacation home, or an investment home, I would love to help you find the perfect place with the perfect yard for planting, relaxing, entertaining, and making it your own. Because the right home is wonderful, but the right home with a beautiful yard, that is chef's kiss. Final thoughts. Florida gardening does not have to be complicated. Start with flowers that can handle the heat, bring beautiful color, and make your yard feel happy. For a great Florida flower garden, consider planting pentas for butterflies and bright clusters of color, gaillardia for sunny, cheerful blooms, salvia for hummingbirds' height and bold color. With a little planning, the right plants, and a splash of personality, your yard can go from meh to, oh wow, who lives there? This is Margarett Klein, your favorite Space Coast Realtor, reminding you that whether you are planting flowers, buying a home, or trying to figure out why your yard suddenly has one random mystery weed taller than your mailbox, I am here to help. Looking for your next home with the perfect yard? Call or text me, 321-480-7662. Search available homes, https margarettsellsdreamhomes.com. Watch home tours, walkthroughs, home tips, and buying advice on YouTube. https www.youtube.com Dream Home Space Coast Florida. Thanks for following along, and do not forget to subscribe for more home tips, Space Coast living, DIY ideas, home walkthroughs, and maybe a little dachshund cuteness sprinkled in too.